Hey everybody, this is Greg. Welcome back to my channel. And this is week 4 of do-it-yourself bathroom remodel. And you can see that we are outside underneath a tent in the driveway for, this is the saw to cut the tile. It's a wet saw. And helpful hint is to remember again, this was a 2-car garage. My 2-car garage is turned into a storage facility for the contractor. So it's important to have lots and lots of space because you're gonna have a lot of supplies coming in to your house. You're gonna have orders being delivered, and you need a big area to store that in as you go along. So this is the beginning of week number 4. Now remember, the reason my garage is so full is we are doing 2 full bathrooms and a half bath. That's the reason there's so much stuff. We are back at week number 4. We have started to put in the tile for the shower floor. So you can see how it's looking right now. So this is our shower with all the waterproofing on the walls. And you can also see where we got the new tile that's going up top here. So there's a lot going on here this week as far as tiling. And then also right here at the beginning entrance to the bathroom, we also have some tile work started here for the floor. Well, we are at the end of week number 4 with our renovation. You're probably wondering what in the world's going on, but it does take a lot of time and energy to get this. We've started the floor tile here, as you can see. We'll continue that on in week 5. Boy, everything looks a little messy for sure, doesn't it? When you see the walls and the garden tub, which is going to get cleaned up, and this wall here, where the vanity is going to go. There's a little bit of stuff everywhere. But hey, the final thing that I want to show you going into at the end of here of week 4 is the shower floor is actually done now. It's been tiled. It's the grout is down, and this is the shower floor. So I think it looks pretty good. Just leave a comment below. Tell me what you think, but this is the end of our week 4, and we're moving on to week 5. See you on the next coming videos. Bye-bye for now. One more thing, if you could just take time out today and subscribe to my channel. I'm at 500 subscribers now. I'm so excited, and hope you'll take time to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video.